Looks like Opus Clip got a web page upgrade. Let's have a look. Meet Clip Anything. I've been using it for a while, and yes, I've had fun. Hot tip when you are on the website. Click Lex, that's one of mine for sure, never posted it. I did feed it a lot in my trial phase, but I did have to use a post-production tool to get what I really wanted, just being honest. Apparently, being used by millions of creators and businesses. Now, look, I didn't blow up like 1 million. But maybe pressing a like button or subscribe thing might help. I'm certainly interested in the live chat options for sure. I can 100% say the animated captions features work wonderfully. But the virality score, well, it has been a hit and miss for me over the past few months. Let's get ready on social media. Oh yes, but I do like the auto reframe and hooks. That is a feature I like. Now let's add the B-roll. I had to use my own as it's not great yet. Oh, and the brand template, I'll try it out. Now, Opus Clip. Nice one on the new website look, but you might want to focus on increasing your social numbers. Can't understand why they are so low. Your product is solid.